After helping over 95 e-commerce brands generating millions in revenue over the last 6 years, I've discovered something shocking on a recent audit call. I'm about to show you how one skincare brand accidentally destroyed the profit margins by 47% using the exact email marketing strategy that most email marketing agencies still recommend. By the end of this video, you'll know the 3-tier email system that separates profitable brands from those just spinning their wheels. This video is for any e-commerce brand owner who's been told that more email revenue automatically means more profit. So let's dive into it. So let me tell you about Sarah and how this $2 million skincare brand accidentally trained their best customer to spend less money. So Sarah was their perfect customer. She bought their $80 vitamin C serum every 3 months like clockwork. So $320 per year for 3 straight years. So then this brand discovered growth through email marketing and everything changed. They started working with another agency, a big name email marketing field, and they started incorporating more sales events. So what happened in month 1? They started doing a 25% off everything campaign. So Sarah stocked up and bought 2 serums instead of the regular 1 serum that she would buy. So that means $120 in revenue versus the usual $80 in revenue. So the brand was like, cool, email marketing works. That's amazing. Then month 2 hit and they were like, let's do another sales event, a flash sale, 30% off. And Sarah was like, yeah, this is amazing. I can get my favorite product now with 30% off. So Sarah bought 3 more serums and now she is set for the year because in the previous month she already bought 2 serums and now she bought 5 serums already. Revenue $168 of revenue versus the usual $80. And the brand was like, we're killing it because Sarah was ordering more and there was more revenue coming in for this brand. But then a couple of months later, month 6, there was the reality check because Sarah started spending $0 on the brand because her cabinet was still full of serums because she stocked up on the first sales event and on the second sales event. And the growth of the e-commerce brand was actually a disaster. And this is a typical scenario that I see all the time when I'm doing audit calls, and I hear this more and more coming in lately. So here's the math that made this brand owner go silent on the audit call that we had. Sarah's previous annual spending was $320 at full price without a discount. Sarah's new annual spending is $288 at discounted prices. So the actual profit impact was minus 47%. They basically trained Sarah, their best customer, to buy a year's worth of product in just 2 months and then disappear for 10 months. And again, this is something that I see go wrong all the time with e-commerce brand owners. And this brand fell into what I call the discount death spiral. But Sarah's story is just the tip of the iceberg. So let me show you the 5 profit killers that are destroying e-commerce businesses right now. Number 1, the bulk buying trap. So this brand's monthly email revenue looked amazing at $180K, but profit margin on email sales was only 16%. So the customer purchase frequency was down by 34% and the average order value was up only because of the bulk buying during the sales events. Profit kill number 2 is the conditioning effect. So when you discount to everyone, you're not driving real growth, you're training people to game your system. So your customers will simply stop buying at full price because they know they can get it at a discounted price as well during your sales events, which leads into profit killer number 3, the margin compression cycle. So here's what happens. You discount to hit your revenue targets and the profit margins shrink because of the discounts. You need more revenue to hit the profit goals, so you discount even further. And it's a death spiral that kills e-commerce businesses nowadays, especially right now in 2025, while the profit margins are already under pressure. And then you have the VIP devaluation, and your best customers, the ones who would buy anyway from your brand, get the same discount as the bargain hunters. So you're literally paying your best and most loyal loyal customers to spend less money with you. And when customers stock up during sales, they disappear for months. Like Sarah, she stocked up in 2 months of the year and then she disappeared for 10 months because she had enough serum in her cabinet. So your cash flow becomes unpredictable, inventory planning becomes impossible, and customer lifetime value calculations become meaningless. So that's what I call the discount debt spiral. And the fix is simple, but most e-commerce brands get it backwards. And it's to stop treating your mom the same way that you treat a stranger. Here's the 3-tier approach that actually builds profit while growing your revenue and your email revenue. So tier 1 are the new customers. This is the acquisition zone. So you want to use aggressive discounts to win them over. First purchase should be easy and risk-free for those new customers. So we typically recommend 15 to 25% off first orders, because at this stage you're buying a customer and you're not making just a sale. It's more about winning a customer and getting potential for the customer lifetime value that you have. Then we have tier 2, which are the repeat buyers, the development zone. So you want to focus on value added content, on loyalty rewards, on smart bundling of your products. These customers have proven that they already like your products. So instead of discounting, you want to give them more reasons to buy from you. So think of exclusive content, early access, and educational resources. And then finally, we have tier 3, which are the VIP customers, aka the retention zone. And this is where Sarah from this video falls into. You want to give them exclusive access, early launches, and premium experiences. These people love your brand already because they've bought multiple times from your store. So they don't need discounts to buy from you again. It's simply not necessary. They just need to feel special and valued. So different people, different strategies. Revenue isn't profit and growth isn't always good. So before you send that next 30% off everything email, ask yourself this question. Am I acquiring new customers or just teaching existing ones to wait for sales? And your margins depend on getting this segmentation right. Yeah, really think about your brand, what you're doing right now, and how you could improve your strategy I gave you in video. That's it for this video. So if you want us to handle your email marketing entirely, we're true email marketing experts. We've worked with more than 95 e-commerce brands in the last 6 years, and we know how to implement a system that not only boosts your revenue, but also your profits. So make sure to click on the link in the description to book a call with me, and we'll discuss your current situation and how we can help you scale your business. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more weekly content on email and SMS marketing for e-commerce brands. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one.